for 2018 gains a plug-in hybrid variant called the T8 twin engine. It does not, in fact, have two engines, but rather one gasoline four-cylinder engine that's both supercharged and turbocharged, plus a pair of electric motors. The same setup resides in the T8 versions of the XC60 and XC90 crossovers. An 8-speed automatic gearbox transmits torque from the engine to the front wheels, while a 10.4 kWh lithium-ion battery pack feeds the electric motor positioned at the rear axle. A second motor is integral with the transaxle and also gets engine starting duties. The S90 T8 achieved an overall average of 27 mph, a bit lower than the EPA's 29 mpg combined number for hybrid driving. The S90's 32 mpg result in our 75 mph highway test also fell slightly short of the EPA's highway estimate, although it did beat the gas-only S90 T6's number by 1 mpg. Because pure mode won't force the car to stay on a diet of electrons alone, we couldn't get a reliable electric-only range during our real-world highway test. As always, your mileage may vary wildly depending on how often you plug in your plug-in hybrid. Gorgeous wood, soft brown leather, and a beautifully sculpted dashboard gave our nearly fully loaded Inscription model an interior ambience that easily lived up to its $82,140 as tested price. That included extras such as a $900 head-up display, a $3,200 Bowers & Wilkins sound system, a $1,200 pair of air springs in the rear, and a $2,550 convenience package with a power trunk lid, a 360-degree camera system, and park assist. A comparably outfitted S90 Inscription T6 AWD would sticker for roughly $10,000 less. No matter how it's equipped, the S90 is an undeniably special piece, with materials and attention to detail that you won't find in the luxury market short of paying Bentley or Rolls-Royce money. That was true of last year's short wheelbase model, and the new Stretch S90 is able to provide plush, relaxed dynamics that better match the elegant atmosphere cultivated within. If the strong performance and overall polish of this hybrid powertrain is any indication, then Volvo likely has little to fear from its electrified future.